así. Ella se ve bonita, que se le vaya mal. En los ojos una sonrisa, aguantándose llorar.
Say you lie.
De tus orillas parecieran de champón. Son alcohol para las heridas, para la tristeza. Son alcohol para las heridas, porque hay mucho que sanar.
Yo, I am addicted, bro. I am addicted. Is there something about listening to music in a language that is not your own? I mean, there's the Yoruba thing, but Yoruba songs always banging, right? Or is that why this guy is the best musician in the world? He's #1 musician in the world. Is that why? Like, the guy, for like weeks, I've been on his Tiny Desk album. It's crazy, bro. Like, I'm not even to hear anything, but although, like, I remember some of it from watching the Tiny Desk, which I'm still gonna have to go rewatch.